Ellis bandsaw is a great machine made right here in the United States. We stock a full line of blade guides, some electrical parts, belts. More importantly, we stock the blades to keep that machine cutting square. But a lot of customers take advantage of our interrupted cut bandsaw blade. The Ellis bandsaw is primarily used for fabricating and structural, and we have a fantastic blade that goes on it and can give you up to 30% more production, more blade life. A lot of customers take advantage of our blade parts discount program. When customers buy $2,000 in saw blades in a calendar year, they get an additional 20% off the parts program, and we feel that's a winning combination for the Ellis bandsaw. So we give you the blades to power the saw, the parts to keep it running, and the know-how to put everything on and put it together.